Hi, and welcome to our Basic Option Strategies course. I'm Cal, founder of Option Trading for Rookies. You can find me on tastytrade.com, the largest online financial network in the world, as one of their first rising stars. In this course, we're going to cover everything you need to know to start trading options. We're going to define and explain call and put verticals, iron condors, volatility and how to best use it to your advantage. We're going to give you the 5 golden rules of trading verticals, and so much more. The following lecture is a brief recap of the information we covered in our basic options course entitled Option Trading for Rookies, Understand Options Completely. If you have no experience with options at all, I encourage you to take that course. However, if you watch the recap and you understand everything in there and know it already, you are absolutely good to go with this course. What I hope to show you with all my courses is, number 1, trading is not as complicated as professionals would lead you to believe. In fact, it's pretty easy. Number 2, trading does not take a lot of time. You can do it in less than 15 minutes a day. And number 3, trading does not take years to learn. I'm going to show you everything you need to know to be successful in trading options in just a few courses.